Here we are, another problem. Let's see what's going on with this one. Security. Put the security light in. So it's reading the key. Uh-oh. All right. Let's see what happened here. I won't even go to a park. Oh. Here's what they did. Here's what they did. They took it all apart. Should be a key in here. There it is. Shit. Alright, I gotta take this apart. Alright. Okay. Let's see what they did. So, a couple of issues. I need to check. Why is this not going to park? It's most likely it's a blown fuse somewhere. Let's check. Let's test this out. Okay, so let's see this right here. This starts. So this is fine. Where's the starter on this thing? I still don't know why that, but I'm not concerned about that. I just want to see why it doesn't start. Where's the starter on this? There it is. See if I could reach it. Ah, I sure as hell don't miss working on these cars. Okay. We should hear it once we crank it. No signal. No signal here. Okay. So now, this is where you need wire diagrams, but I don't have any. So my next step is relay. Let's see if we can find a relay on this. What the hell is that? All right, guys, I found the culprit. So my glasses died, but down here, it's got a blown fuse, which is this one. Oh, right here. All right, so this one, it's got power. If we go to the next one, come on, guy, can't even fucking touch a thing and save my life. Right there, see? Okay, we gotta leave that like that. We're gonna give it power, and then we're gonna start. There we go. Now it's got power. Now it's running. All right, so that's got to be changed, and it's good to go. What the fuck? Damn. All right, so I'm helping a buddy out. I gotta call him and tell him what to fix, and because I don't have. I got all the spare fuses at the house. I don't have any here. But that's that. And I probably when they yanked that out, whoever yanked it out, shorted out a bunch of things, because that fuse that we saw here earlier, that's not supposed to be like that. So that one's got to get a new one, because it's going to hit a bump and it's going to stop working. All right. Talk to y'all later, guys. The plug.